Like it says on my thumbnail, the algorithm does not work for me or my channel. And it's not the algorithm's fault. It's just my channel is a lot different than a lot of other channels are. And I would love it to be different, but I can't change it and I won't change it. If you notice, I'll be talking about dragons in one video, fish in another video, bat lamps all made by 3D printing. And I may test the machine, like in this video here, test out different lights that help me cure rosin. Big builds, bigger than normal size 3D printing builds. Tools, different kinds of tools. And RC stuff, RC tires. Could be trains, just like in here. Or I could be testing out, like this one here, a glue product that I just put up. That totally goes away from the 3D printing that the algorithm would know. Even though I write it's for my 3D printing, it could be used for other stuff too. But is it going to catch the people that I need? Probably not. I'm hoping that I'm going to catch, I don't call it catch, I'm hoping I'm going to make a pretty cool little family of subscribers that come because they like all the different things that I do. For instance, this one here with the dragons and the dinosaurs and different products that I use to make them, which is really good. Now, back to this part of it. Like, for instance, when I build a fish diorama, basically it's a diorama, a dragon egg diorama. And this one here with this could be a commercial on the front. I'm not sure. Okay. It shows all different things here. Now this is a Volkswagen diorama that I did, and it's totally different than just fish and all that other stuff. So I really don't know what to do about this. I don't call it a problem because I'm doing what I like doing. These are some of my shorts that I'm doing. There's dragons. There's my playlists go from tools and all different items. Let's see here. Let's go to my videos, and I could go through them. Like this one here is that's a burger. But anyway, that's the commercials that go with them. So what can you do? I'm not promoting any commercials. I'm going to skip that, of course. Well, not skip it on purpose, but for part of my video. If there's any suggestions on how I can get more subscribers to my channel, because like I said, here's a gremlin here. Here's train stuff. I'm working with train stuff. I'm trying glue products. I'm making ideas for upcoming prints, showing tips, more fish and monsters, putting real fur on them, stuff like that. Painting, some monsters. I don't know if this one will come up as right away with, yeah, here we go. This will come up as the monsters. Let's go into it a little bit farther here. This is making a ghoul. And these are really cool videos, but it's hard to catch an audience to a point where if you're a 3D printer, then of course you're going to probably come and watch and get ideas. But maybe you're a 3D printer and you just print novelty stuff, or maybe you print stuff that are just for the household. I try to do stuff that I can paint, and maybe here I can show. I've got the museum that I'm working on here, and this here video will show the museum here that I'm putting stuff up in. And that's what I do in most of my stuff is they go in the museum for, you know, for, well, my enjoyment and when grandkids come over and stuff like that. Also, I'm going to be 60 years old, which is, I've got knowledge. I have knowledge. So, I mean, not just with the 3D printing, I learned that on my own by just getting a printer. I didn't have to go to YouTube videos to learn it. And learn stuff, especially when we didn't have YouTube years and years ago. We had to make decisions ourselves. So when it came to making decisions, I was pretty well there and you could sleep on it. And then by morning, you'd be able to figure out what you're doing. Um, Also, I make dragons. I make 3D printed cars and RC stuff. Like I said, I'm kind of in a bit of a loop where what do I do next? Because I'd like people to stay and watch my videos and all that. But how can you keep certain people if you're not doing exactly what they want you to do? Like I get people that here's one with I'm building a snowmobile, and after this commercial, oh, after this commercial, and here we go. Now I can go into the middle of it here. I'm building a snowmobile here. So I could be doing anything. So that's my point here. I do large animals, full size animals, iguanas. I do characters, some games, lots of different ideas of boats, dinosaurs, you name it. I do it. So if anybody has some suggestions on what they'd like me to make or think that I should do now, I don't know. Should I do a video, chain of videos like when they have like Shark Week or stuff like that? Just do fish one week, but then I lose other people. But so I don't really know what I can do. All I know is that the YouTube algorithm doesn't know where to put my videos. So I know this kind of rambled on and stuff like that, but if you got any suggestions and or just keep to who I am. That's another thing. They always say on videos, don't change who you are. Just proceed on and do your best. I'm not making a ton of money. I'll tell you that. Um, but I'm having fun. And if you guys would like to come and have some fun, and even if you're not a 3D printer, maybe you'll enjoy the videos that I make and stuff that I do. Because some people live in apartments, some people are limited to go places and stuff like that, and they like to watch YouTube. So, hey, I'd love to have you aboard watching my videos. So think about that, and if you want, subscribe and leave a comment. And like I said, hope it didn't rain. Till the next time, may the algorithm be with you. Okay.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.